Now, dear students, we will discuss some important questions, right, which are taken from second set of sample paper. First question: differentiate between strong and weak acids. What is the difference between strong and weak acid? Strong acid in aqueous medium always completely ionized or completely dissociates, right? But weak acid partially dissociates, right? And reversible reaction setup between ions and undissociated molecule in case of weak acid, right? For example, hydrochloric acid is a strong acid, sulfuric acid is a strong acid, nitric acid is a strong, and carboxylic group containing acids are weak acids. Lactic acid, acetic acid, citric acid, oxalic acid, right? Carboxylic group containing acids are weak acids. Now, one example of strong acid in aqueous medium or aqueous solution, hydrochloric acid completely dissociates into ions, and complete dissociation is shown by one arrow. This is irreversible process, irreversible reaction or one-sided reaction. 100% dissociation of hydrochloric acid in aqueous medium into hydrogen ion or hydronium ions and chloride ions, right? One more example of strong acid, nitric acid. In aqueous medium, complete dissociation of nitric acid into hydrogen ion or hydronium, it means H3O plus ion, and negative part is nitrate ions, right? Same notation for complete dissociation. Weak acid, carboxylic group, COOH is carboxylic group, right? This is acetic acid, right? And common name is vinegar. Aqueous solution of acetic acid is known as vinegar, right? Vinegar is weak acid. Acetic acid in aqueous medium, partial dissociation. Partial dissociation. This is reversible. Forward process or reaction is showing dissociation, and backward association. Association of negative ion. It means acetate ion and hydrogen ion give back acetic acid, by which ions are written, right? Forward and backward. In case of weak acid. Now, second question from classification of elements. Okay, periodic table. 4 elements P, Q, R, and S belong to third period of the modern periodic table, and they have 1, 3, 5, and 7 electrons in their outermost shell, in valence shell. Write the electronic configuration of Q and R on the basis of their valence electrons and predict their valences combining capacity of P, what is Q and R, right? Write the molecular formula of the compound formed when P reacts with S. P with S, right? Solution of first part. Electronic configuration of Q element is 283, right? Because Q is placed in which period? Third period. All elements are placed in third period. How many orbits are present? 3 orbits. 3 shells are present, right? First shell is completely filled. Second is also 8 electrons are present, and 3 valence electrons are present in valence shell of Q element. What is written here? 283. 3 valence electrons are present in valence shell or outermost shell of Q element, right? Then what is its valency? 3. Valency of Q is equal to 3. Second element is R. 5 valence electrons are present in last orbit. Then before third period or before, this is K, L, M shell. Which shells are present? K, L, M. Okay children, this is the sequence. K, L and M. In M shell, 5 electrons are present. In K, 2. L, 8. And then M shell, 5 valence electrons. Valency of R is equal to octet. For octet, what is written here? 8 electrons. Only 8 number. 8 minus number of valence electrons. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. This element, R element shows two valencies. One is 5 and second is 3. Electronic configuration of P element. P element is first element and one valence electron is present. Right? S is last element and 7 valence electrons are present. And both elements are placed in third period. It means total how many shells are present? 3. KLN. KLN. Right? And this element is metallic in nature. This is the electronic configuration of sodium. 2 plus 8 plus 1 is equal to 11. 11 atomic number of sodium. And 2 plus 8 plus 7 is equal to 17. 17 is the atomic number of chlorine. Then practice the formula of compound which is formed when P reacts with S. This is showing reaction between P and S. P plus S, then formation of PS, right? But in terms of reaction equation, this is arrow product sign. Reaction between P and S and formation of PS compound. Formula is PS, not PS2 or P2S. Why? What is the combining capacity of P element to 1? Right? Only one valence electron is present. Its valency is 1. And valency of S element is also 1. Right? How? 8 minus valence electrons, 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. Combining capacity of each element is same. 1 and 1. Then its formula is PS. Right? When P is sodium, S is Cl. The known compound is NaCl and NaCl is ionic compound. Okay, children? Complete solution of each part. And this is long answer question, children. Distribution of marks for each part. Right? This is 5 marks question. And this one 3 marks. Difference between strong and weak acid with explanation and with the reaction.